Hey, what's up guys? It's David here today, and I want to share with you the secret weapon that every single tax professional needs to have access to so they can help their clients save literally hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions. So let's check it out. So if you're a tax professional or you're working with a tax professional, every single tax professional wants to do the right thing for their clients. Sometimes it doesn't feel like that because I've been in a position where my clients say, man, David, you really aren't helping. And that was so many years ago, but I look back and it really wasn't because I didn't want to help. I just didn't have the time to help. What I realized is I was helping a lot of people get their taxes done, but what really clients want is somebody to help them with advice, with guidance. They want an advisor in their corner. Every single tax professional needs to have the right strategies. When I talk about strategies, I talk about the way that we use the tax code to impose our will. Which that really means is, how do I get the tax code to work for me? You see, many people get the tax code imposed on them, which means they pay taxes, which means they have no control. And if you want to have control over your finances and your wealth, the number one place to take action on is taxes. We use the tax code against the IRS, and there's so many strategies to be done against the IRS, many of which you already know and are popularized. If you've seen some of my content or my videos, I talk about the Augusta Rule, I talk about paying kids, the family management company, I talk about depreciation or the home office deduction. When we talk about strategies, I want you to think this way. It's not about how we can, and it's not about what to do. It's really about, does it apply to me? It doesn't matter if you're a business owner or a high-income W-2 earner, or if you're somebody who's retired, you can find a strategy. Now, how impactful that strategy is going to be case by case. There are a very select few that have figured this out. I call them the 3%ers. These are 3% of the taxpayer base who pay zero taxes, but make over $200,000 a year. I would recommend that you evaluate your business and or your income and work with a tax strategist who can help you see which strategies apply directly to your situation. There are larger strategies that can impact your tax return as well. Now, those usually require an investment. And if you're looking to maximize wealth, you always think investment, investment, investment. So imagine putting your money into an investment that gives you returns, but also gives you tax benefits. Typically, these investments are in either energy or real estate, or maybe some sort of preferred account. Now, we have access to those strategies as tax strategists, but I would tell you that you would want to talk with a professional to determine which ones are right for you. My belief is that I've become an expert in this industry just because I've gone through it all. After filing over 50,000 returns, helping clients save millions of dollars, I think I know a thing or two. So what I've done over the last 4.5 years is really take all my knowledge, all the things that I've picked up, the strategies, the tactics, the filing, the customer base, the experiences, and I've wrapped them up into a secret weapon, which I call Tax Maverick. Now, Tax Maverick is a strategy software. It's designed for tax professionals to help their clients who want to maximize the strategies, but really just don't know where to begin. Now, this will allow a tax professional to give the best advice, to help their clients save on taxes, and to really deliver on the value they deserve. And if you're a taxpayer watching this, just let me tell you something. You should be an advocate for your tax professional to get access to something like Tax Maverick. You see, I believe that it's your right not to pay taxes, and everyone should be working together to do this. So if you're somebody out there right now who's either overpaying or working with clients who are overpaying, I believe it's your obligation to start using a secret weapon like Tax Maverick. And if you like this content and you love the idea of saving taxes, guys, first, subscribe. Secondly, why don't you go get started at taxmaverick.com. And if you like this content, check out the next video. Super grateful for you. See you on the next one.